Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to A.I.M.S Dare to Success YouTube channel. Today we are discussing Senior Inter Maths 2A first chapter complex number. This is seventh video. This is seventh video. First chapter, seventh video, and question is find the real values of theta such that 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is a purely real, purely imaginary given. So first of all I am writing 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. Here we can use rationalize, that is 3 plus 2i sin theta 1 minus 2i sin theta. Use rationalize in denominator, that is conjugate of 1 minus 2i sin theta is 1 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 plus 2i sin theta. Okay, normal simplification like this you can multiply 3 ones are 3, 3 into 2 is 6i sin theta. Next plus 2i sin theta into 1 is 2i sin theta plus 2 2s are 4 I into I square sin theta into sin theta sin square theta divided by denominator is look like a plus b into a minus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square 2i sin theta whole square, power apply individually 2 square I square sin square theta. Okay, so here this is 3 plus 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta is 8i sin theta. Next I square is equals to minus 1 minus I square equal to plus 1. You can remember this one. So I square value minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 sin square theta divided by denominator 1 square is 1, here minus I square value plus 1, so plus square is 4 sin square theta. Here we got like this, so you can write real part, imaginary part individually. 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Later place I common, remaining value 8 sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay my dears, after writing this, first of all you can see the question. First bit is it is a purely real. Okay, purely real means imaginary part is equals to 0. Imaginary part is equal to 0. What is imaginary? 8 sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is equals to 0. So cross multiply my dears, we 8 sin theta is equals to 0 into something 0. Okay, 8 is moving to this side, we get sin theta is equals to 0 by something is 0. Here trigonometric equations concept we can use here to find real value of theta. So sin theta is equals to 0. 0 is in terms of sin n pi. Okay, sin n pi value 0. Okay. Otherwise sin 0. Okay, sin 0 is 0, you can write like that. Okay, so sin theta is equals to sin 0. Here real value of theta, so theta is equals to sin theta is equal to 0 అయితే theta is equals to n pi. This is the formula. Okay, n belongs to Z. Now I am taking one more, second part, purely imaginary given. Purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means real part is equals to 0. Then what is real part from this one? This 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. That is 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This is equals to 0. Take cross multiply. We get 3 minus 4 sin square theta is equals to 0 into something 0. So 3 is equal to this minus 4 sin square theta going to right side, we get is equals to 4 sin square theta. Next multiplying 4 coming into this side, we get 3 by 4 is equals to sin square theta. Next square coming into this side, we get under root 3 by 4 equal to sin theta. Root apply individually for both numerator and denominator. We get sin theta is equals to root 3 by root 4 is 2. Okay, in terms of sin, root 3 by 2 value. In terms of sin, root 3 by 2 value, that is sin 60. Okay, here sin theta is equals to sin alpha. Okay, we get the real value of theta. Theta is equals to n pi plus or minus alpha. This is a formula. So n pi plus or minus, here alpha means what is the angle? 60 degrees. This is the real value. So here n belongs to Z. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. Purely real means imaginary part is equal to 0. Imaginary means real part equal to 0. Now I am going to take one more problem. Next, second problem. If the point P denotes the complex number complex number is denoted by Z is equals to x plus iy in the organed plane plane if z minus I by z minus 1 is a purely imaginary number find the locus of P, like last problem. Okay, first of all read question. Z is equal to x plus iy given z minus iy z minus 1 is a purely imaginary number. So given z is equals to x plus iy and the next z minus iy z minus 1. What is z value, my dear? X plus iy. Okay, later minus I divided by, again z value is x plus iy minus 1. So split real part as well as imaginary part. So numerator x is real part. After taking I common, remaining value y minus 1. So x plus I into y minus 1 numerator value. Denominator x minus 1 is real part plus iy. In denominator we don't have I related values, so rationalize in denominator. Okay, x plus I into y minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus iy. X minus 1 plus iy conjugate value is x minus 1 minus iy. So x minus 1 minus iy multiply and divide by x minus 1 minus iy. Next, my dears, casual multiplication. Okay, x into x minus 1. So first of all x into x is square. Next plus into minus x into 1 is x. Next plus into minus I into xy. Okay, next plus iy into x plus ixy. Next plus iy into minus 1 plus into minus iy. Okay, next plus iy into minus iy plus into minus I into I square, y into y square. So next here minus I into x minus ix. Minus I into minus 1 is minus into minus plus I. Next minus I into minus iy, minus into minus plus I into I square y. Okay, divided by denominator value is look like a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. B square means I square y square. Here you can use I square is equals to minus 1 minus I square is equals to 1. Use this value in this place. Okay, now I can substitute x square minus x, here plus I xy minus I xy get cancelled. Next minus iy, so minus iy. Next minus I square value plus 1, so plus y square. Next minus ix. Next plus I. Next I square value minus 1, so minus 1 into y minus y. whole divided by x minus 1 whole square minus I square value plus 1, so plus y square. Here I can split and write real part as well as imaginary part. X square plus y square minus x minus y by x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Later plus I common. After taking I common, I think minus x minus y plus 1 by denominator value. First of all, real part is x square plus y square minus x minus y divided by x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus imaginary part I common. After taking I common, remaining value minus x minus y plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Okay, my dears. According to given question, this is a purely imaginary value. Okay, the given value is given, it is a purely imaginary value. Purely imaginary means real part is equal to 0. That is, real part is equal to 0. Real part 0, then that number is purely imaginary. So real part value is x square plus y square minus x minus y divided by x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 0. Then cross multiply, my dears, we get x square plus y square minus x minus y is equals to 0. Okay, this is the locus of P. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now I can explain you one more question. I think this is a third problem. Okay, my dears. First of all, find the locus of Z if amplitude of Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 6i is pi by 2. Amplitude of Z minus 2 by Z minus 6i is pi by 2 given. By using this concept, you can simplify the given problem. Okay. First of all, if they specify or not specify Z is x plus iy. Okay, now I am considering given value Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 6i. Okay, Z value is x plus iy minus 2 divided by Z value x plus iy minus 6i. Write real part as well as imaginary part separately. So numerator x minus 2 is real part plus iy divided by denominator real part is x plus I is a common, remaining value y minus 6. Okay, my dears, conjugate of this part is x minus I into y minus 6. So we can rationalize denominator, that is x minus 2 plus iy divided by x plus I into y minus 6 into x minus I into y minus 6 divided by x minus I into y minus 6. So casual multiplication, my dears. So here x into x is x square. Next minus iy into x is minus ixy. Next x into minus plus 6i, that is plus 6ix. X into x into minus iy, x into minus plus 6i, completed successfully. Next minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into minus iy, first minus into minus plus 2 into I into y. Next minus into minus plus 6i into minus 2, plus into minus minus 2 6 are 12i. Okay. Next plus iy into x plus ixy. Next minus into plus minus I into I square, y into y square. Individually multiplication. So minus into minus plus 6i into iy. So first of all 6 will be same, I into I square. Okay, y. One more time, iyx plus into minus I into I square, y into y square. Next plus into minus plus, so plus symbol, 6 into I 6i square y. Okay, coming to denominator, a plus b into a minus, that is x square minus b square is individually I square into y minus 6 whole square. Here I square is equals to minus 1. I square is equals to minus I square equals to minus 1. Minus I square is equals to 1. Use this value in this. Okay, now x square, my dears, plus ixy minus ixy get cancelled. So later plus x square plus 6ix, later minus 2x plus 2iy minus 12i minus I square value plus 1, so plus y square, I square value minus 1, so minus 1 into 6 minus 6y whole divided by x square minus I square value plus 1, so plus y minus 6 whole square. My dear, here real part and imaginary part you can split it. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y. Okay, now I am splitting real part as well as imaginary part individually. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y divided by x square plus y minus 6 whole square, plus from imaginary part we can take I common, so imaginary part is 6x plus 2y, okay, minus 12. After taking I common value, that is 6x plus 2y minus 12 divided by x square plus y minus 6 whole square. Okay, according to this, my dear, given value is amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6I is equals to pi by 2. Okay, z amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6I value pi by 2 ఇచ్చిందంటే amplitude value tan inverse y by x so on so value pi by 2 tan 90 ఏమవుతుంది 0 అవుతుంది. So you can take directly for this problem real part is equal to 0 అని. Amplitude for this question pi by 2 means real part is equal to 0. What is the real part from this problem? X square minus 2x minus 6y divided by x square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to 0. Then cross multiply, we get it x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y equal to 0 is the locus of z. Okay my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. So ఎప్పుడైనా ఇట్లా amplitude of something given value is pi by 2 అంటే real part is equal to 0 అని consider చేయొచ్చు. Now I am going to explain you question number 4. Okay. One more question. If z is equals to x plus iy, okay, if z is equals to x plus iy, if the point p in the arcand plane represents z, then describe geometrically the locus of z satisfying the equation arg z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to pi by 4. ఇది problem. Okay, first of all given z is equals to x plus iy, okay, and next given value without argand z minus 1 by z plus 1. So z value x plus iy minus 1 divided by z value x plus iy plus 1. Separate real part as well as imaginary part. So we get it x minus 1 by x minus 1 plus iy by x plus 1 plus iy. Okay. In denominator we don't get I related value. So rationalize denominator, we get x minus 1 plus iy divided by x plus 1 x plus 1 plus iy into denominator rationalized value x plus 1 minus iy divided by x plus 1 minus iy. Okay, next casual multiplication, my dears. X into x, x square, next x into plus 1 x, next x into minus iy minus ixy, next minus 1 multiplication, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into plus 1 plus 1 minus into minus plus 1 into iy, next iy multiplication, iy into x I xy, next iy into 1 iy, next plus into minus minus I into y square, y into y square, divided by denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. B square means I square y square. Okay. Next you can use square is equals to minus 1 minus I square is equals to plus 1. Now here you can take cancellation, minus ixy plus ixy get cancelled, plus ixy minus ixy get cancelled. Okay, remaining real part, imaginary part you can take individually. So real part value x square plus y square minus 1 divided by denominator value x plus 1 whole square minus I square value plus 1, so plus y square. Next plus I into imaginary value 2y divided by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Okay Nana? Okay. According to given value, amplitude of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to pi by 4 given. Okay, that is amplitude means tan inverse y value by x value, y value by x value is equals to pi by 4. Okay, cross multiply, tan inverse coming into right side, we get it, y value by x value is equals to tan pi by 4. Okay, y value by x value means here directly y value by x value is here y value imaginary part 2y. Okay, divided by x value means real part numerator value x square plus y square minus 1 is equals to tan inverse, tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay Nana, one more time, tan inverse y by x, here y is 2y, only y value divided by x value, ఇవి రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్గా 2y by x square plus y square minus 1 అనేది రాసుకోవచ్చు. Cross multiply, we get 2y is equal to x square plus y square minus 1. So 2y coming into this side, we get x square plus y square plus 2y coming into this side, minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0 is the locus of z. Okay, x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1. This is a circle. Okay, circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is a circle notation. So this value is represents equation of a circle. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. So if you follow like this, you will get it easily. You will get it easily. Okay. Now one more question I am taking. Now the problem is, if z is equals to x plus iy, if the point P in the argand plane represents z, then describe geometrically the locus of P satisfying the equation mod z plus 4i plus mod z minus 4i is equals to 10. This is the question number. First of all, z is equals to x plus iy, and next write given value, that is mod z plus 4i plus mod z minus 4i is equals to 10. Mod z is x plus iy, okay, plus 4i plus mod z is x plus iy minus 4i is equals to 10. Separate real and imaginary values, that is x plus I common, remaining value y plus 4 plus mod x plus I common y minus 4 is equals to 10. Mod formula I am writing here, mod x plus iy is equals to root over x square plus y square. Use this concept. So this is mod x plus I into y plus 4 is root x square plus y plus 4 whole square plus again malli same root mod value root x square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 10. Now I am taking one more. So mod, the first root will be same, x square plus y plus 4 whole square. Next second root value going to right side, we get 10 minus root over x square plus y minus 4 whole square. We are having square root values, so we can take squaring on both sides. We get root over x square plus y plus 4 whole square totally whole square is equals to 10 minus under root x square plus y minus 4 whole square totally whole square. Where root get cancelled, remaining value x square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square 10 times 100 plus b square square root cancelled. After that x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Again one more time, 10 square is 10 times 100 plus complete this part b square root whole square and square root get cancelled, remaining value x square plus y minus 4 whole square minus అయితే minus 2ab minus 2 into 10 is 20 into under root x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Left side right side x square cancelled. Okay, next this y plus 4 whole square expand cheste y square plus 4 square, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 4s are 8y. Okay, next 100 coming into this side minus 100 is equals to here y minus 4 whole square expand cheste y square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 2ab కాబట్టి minus 2 4s are 8y minus 20 into under root x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Right side left side y square cancelled, 16 cancelled. Minus 8y coming into this side plus 8y, 8y plus 8y 16y minus 100 is equals to minus 20 into root over x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay, here I am taking 4 common in left side, remaining value 4y minus 25 is equals to minus 20. Here also I can take it 4 common, remaining value minus 5 into root over x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Left side right side 4 4 get cancelled, we get it 4y minus 25 is equals to minus 5 into root over x square plus 4 whole square. Okay, malli again we are having square root in right side, so squaring on both sides. Okay, 4y minus 25 whole square is equals to minus 5 into root over x square plus y minus 4 whole square, totally whole square. A minus b whole square, a square 4y whole square, 4 square is 16 into y square plus b square 25 whole square, 25 into 25 625 minus అయితే minus 2ab. 2 into 25 is 50, 50 into 4 is 200y is equal to minus to the power even number, it becomes plus, so 5 square is 25 into square root get cancelled, remaining value x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Next value 16y square plus 625 minus 200y is equal to 25 multiply inside later. First of all expand it, x square x square plus this is a minus b whole square formula, expand it y square plus 4 square, 4 4s are 16 minus 2ab, 2 4s are 8y. And multiply 25 inside, we get 25x square plus 25y square plus 25 into 16 is 400, plus into minus minus 25 into 8 is 200 y. Okay, left side values coming into right side, we get it 25 x square plus 25 y square plus 400 minus 200 y. All values coming into this side, opposite symbol, minus 16 y square, okay, minus 625 plus 200 y minus 625 plus 200 y is equal. Okay, my dears, 25 x square will be same. Next, 25 y square minus 16 y square is 9 y square. One second, 25 x square 25 y square minus 16 y square is 9 y square. Next, plus 200y minus 200y get cancelled. Next, 400 minus 625 is minus 225 is equal to 0. Okay. Is the locus of Z. This is the equation, but geometrically it represents ellipse. Geometrically it is an ellipse. Why? Because 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225, that is related to ellipse. This is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. So if you follow like this my methods, you can get easily and you can understanding easily. You will get 100% sure success. So practice makes man's perfect. Practice keeps a students in top level. కాబట్టి మంచిగా వినండి, నేర్చుకోండి. సో మై డియర్స్, డైలీ మ్యాక్సిమం different questions. So in one short video minimum 4 or 5 questions, which depending upon the concept I can explain you. So listen carefully, learn carefully, at a time listen and write in your book also. Only listening is not important. Listening and writing is important in your book. Next you can try to practice. Okay, so my dears, మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఎయిమ్స్ డే టు సక్సెస్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేస్తూ వాళ్ళకు కూడా నేర్పిస్తారని భావిస్తూ సైన్ అప్ చేసే టైం అయింది కాబట్టి ఓకే, సైన్ అప్ చేద్దాము. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతాకి జై. టేక్ కేర్. బై బై. థ్యాంక్ యూ.